Hi, Emma. Good morning.
Hi, Sam. Good morning, too. You look great today.
Thank you. You look very nice, too. I like your dress.
Thank you, Sam. It is my favorite dress. I like the color. Light blue makes me feel calm.
Yes, the color is soft. It suits you.
Sam, what do you like to wear every day?
Hmm. I like to wear simple clothes. I wear jeans almost every day. Jeans are easy and comfortable.
Yes, jeans are very comfortable. Do you wear jeans to work?
Yes, sometimes. My work is not very formal. I can wear jeans and a shirt.
That sounds nice. I like comfortable clothes too, but I also like dresses.
You wear dresses often?
Yes, maybe 4 or 5 times a week. Dresses are easy for me. I just pick one and wear it. No need to match too many things.
That is true. A dress is one simple outfit. Emma, what colors do you like to wear?
I like soft colors. Light blue, light pink, white, and beige. They make me feel peaceful.
You like calm colors.
Yes. What about you, Sam?
I like dark colors. Black, dark blue, and gray. They are easy to match with everything.
Yes. Dark colors look modern and simple.
Do you ever wear bright colors?
Sometimes. I wear red dresses on special days, and I like yellow in the summer.
Yellow looks good in sunny weather.
Yes, it feels warm and happy.
Emma, what shoes do you like to wear?
I usually wear flat shoes or sneakers. They are good for walking.
Me too. I like sneakers. I have a black pair I wear every day.
Do you have many shoes?
Not really. Maybe 4 pairs. One pair for work, one for the gym, one for going out, and one pair of sandals.
That is simple. I think I have more shoes than you.
How many?
Mm, maybe 10 or 12 pairs.
Wow, that is a lot.
I know. But I like shoes. Shoes are fun.
Emma, what do you like to wear when it is hot?
In hot weather, I like to wear light dresses or shorts and a t-shirt. What about you?
I wear t-shirts and shorts, simple and cool.
Do you like hats?
Yes, I wear a hat when the sun is strong. You?
Sometimes. I wear a big hat at the beach.
A big hat is good for sun protection.
And what about cold weather? What do you like to wear then?
I wear sweaters, a jacket, and long pants. I like warm clothes.
Me too. I love wearing coats and scarves. A warm scarf feels cozy.
Yes, scarves are nice. Do you like boots?
Yes, I wear boots in winter. They look stylish.
I have boots too. Brown boots.
Brown is a good color for winter.
Emma, what is your style?
My style is simple but feminine. I like soft colors, dresses, and small accessories.
Yes, you always look nice. My style is casual. I like comfortable and easy clothes.
Casual style is very popular. Many people like it.
Comfort is important for me.
Emma, how often do you buy clothes?
Not very often. Maybe once every 2 or 3 months. What about you?
I buy clothes more often. Maybe once a month.
Do you buy online or in stores?
Both. Online shopping is easy, but I like trying clothes in a store too.
Yes, trying clothes helps you choose the right size.
This is fun. I like talking about clothes.
Me too. Clothes show our style and personality.
Yes. Okay. Shall we order coffee now?
Yes, let's do it. This mall is big. There are many clothing stores.
Yes, I like this place. I come here often.
Do you want to look at clothes now?
Sure. Let's walk around. Sam, look at this dress. It is simple but beautiful.
Yes, the color is nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I like the soft pink color. It feels sweet.
Do you want to try it?
Maybe later. I want to see more.
Do you like patterns on your clothes? Like stripes or flowers?
I like small floral patterns. They make me feel romantic. You?
I like plain clothes, no patterns, simple shirts and simple pants.
Plain style looks clean.
Emma, what do you wear for a special event?
For a special event, I wear a nice dress, maybe with a little sparkle, something elegant. You?
I wear a shirt, dress pants, and maybe a blazer. Very simple.
Classic style.
Yes. What about casual days?
T-shirt and jeans or a simple dress.
Same for me. Easy and quick.
Do you like trying new styles?
Sometimes, not often. I like my usual clothes. They feel safe.
I understand. I like trying new clothes, but I still stay with my simple style.
What new style do you want to try?
Maybe something sporty. I don't wear sporty clothes often.
Sporty clothes are comfortable. You should try them. Sam, do you wear accessories? Not really. Only a watch. You?
I like small accessories, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets.
Do you wear them every day?
Yes, but I choose simple ones for daily wear.
Emma, how many bags do you have?
Maybe 5. A small bag, a work bag, a big tote, a backpack, and a special bag for events.
Wow. I only have one backpack.
That is very simple. Sam, do you take good care of your clothes?
I try. I wash them every week. I fold them and put them in my closet. You?
I take care of my dresses. Some need hand washing, some need ironing.
That sounds like a lot of work.
A little, but I like my clothes, so I take care of them.
Emma, do you want to buy something today?
Maybe a new dress or new shoes. You?
Maybe a new t-shirt. I need one.
Let's look for a good store.
Today was fun. I learned a lot about your clothing style.
I learned about your style too. Talking about clothes is simple but fun.
Yes, and it is good English practice.
Very good practice. Let's come back again next week.
Sure. See you soon, Emma.
See you, Sam.
Emma, do you ever change your style when a new season starts?
Yes, I do. When it gets warmer, I wear lighter clothes. When it gets colder, I choose warmer colors and thicker fabrics. What about you?
I change a little, but not much. I still wear t-shirts in spring and sweaters in fall. I don't buy seasonal clothes often.
That is simple. I like seasonal fashion. It feels fresh.
Do you follow fashion trends?
Only a little. I like to look at new styles, but I don't buy everything that is trending. I choose only what suits me.
That sounds smart. I never follow trends. I just buy what is comfortable.
Comfort is important too.
Emma, is there something you want to change about your wardrobe?
Maybe I want more basic clothes. Simple shirts, plain colors, things I can wear with everything.
Basics are useful. I think I need more formal clothes. My closet is too casual.
Maybe you can buy one blazer or two shirts.
Yes, that is a good start.
Do you want to go shopping again next time?
Sure, maybe next weekend. We can look for simple clothes for you and maybe a sporty outfit for me.
Yes, that sounds fun.
Emma, do you think clothes change how we feel?
Yes, I do. When I wear nice clothes, I feel confident. When I wear soft colors, I feel calm. Clothes can change our mood.
I think so too. When I wear clean, simple clothes, I feel fresh and ready for the day.
See, clothes are not just clothes. They are part of us.
You're right. I never thought about it that way.
We can talk about more topics next time, maybe hairstyles or accessories.
Good idea. Let's do that.